Resin Bound Surfacing is a premium paving solution that offers the perfect blend of durability, aesthetics, and low maintenance. Made from high-quality aggregates bound with a specially formulated resin, it creates a smooth, seamless, and highly permeable surface. Unlike traditional paving, Vuba resin-bound surfaces are designed to withstand heavy foot and vehicle traffic, making them long-lasting and resistant to cracks, weeds, and UV damage. They are available in a variety of colors and textures, adding a sleek, modern look to driveways, patios, pathways, and commercial spaces. One of the biggest advantages of Vuba resin-bound surfacing is its permeability, allowing water to drain naturally and reducing puddles or surface water buildup. This eco-friendly feature helps prevent flooding and contributes to sustainable urban drainage systems. Additionally, its low-maintenance nature means no more constant repairs or extensive cleaning, just a durable, non-slip surface that stays looking great with minimal effort. The installation process is quick and efficient, with surfaces ready to use within hours. Whether you're enhancing your home or designing a commercial space, Vuba resin-bound surfacing provides a stylish, strong, and sustainable solution that stands the test of time. Schindler's robotic installation system for elevators, known as Schindler RISE, is a groundbreaking innovation that revolutionizes the way elevators are installed. This advanced robotic system automates critical tasks such as drilling, positioning, and anchoring guide rails inside the elevator shaft, reducing the need for manual labor in hazardous environments. By eliminating human error and ensuring precision, Schindler RISE sets new standards for safety, efficiency, and reliability. In the elevator industry, the system operates autonomously, following pre-programmed measurements and using real-time data to make precise adjustments. This results in a highly accurate installation, reducing misalignments and inconsistencies that often occur with traditional manual methods. With Schindler RISE, the installation process becomes significantly faster, minimizing delays in construction projects and allowing for a smoother workflow. Additionally, the system optimizes material usage, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. One of the biggest advantages of Schindler RISE is enhanced worker safety. Since the robot takes over high-risk tasks, technicians are no longer required to work in confined elevator shafts for long periods, lowering the chances of accidents and injuries. This technology not only protects workers, but also improves overall project efficiency by allowing teams to focus on other essential tasks. Schindler's commitment to innovation and precision engineering is evident in this cutting-edge robotic system. By integrating automation into elevator installation, Schindler RISE is shaping the future of urban mobility, making elevator installation safer, faster, and more reliable than ever before. Welcome to the future of outdoor living, the Sapphire Glide-On Balcony, where elegance meets innovation. Designed for modern homes, this state-of-the-art retractable balcony extends effortlessly, offering a seamless transition between indoor comfort and outdoor luxury. Crafted with sapphire-coated, shatter-resistant glass panels, it provides unmatched clarity and strength. The frameless panoramic design ensures unobstructed views, immersing you in natural beauty. With just a touch, the glide-on mechanism smoothly extends the balcony, creating extra space for relaxation and entertainment, then retracts discreetly when not in use. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum rails and silent hydraulic technology, its operation is smooth and whisper-quiet. Whether you're enjoying a peaceful morning coffee, watching a sunset, or hosting a gathering under the stars, the Sapphire Glide-On Balcony transforms your space effortlessly. Equipped with smart climate control and integrated LED mood lighting, it adapts to your preferences, ensuring comfort in every season. Plus, its self-cleaning nano coating repels dust and water, keeping it spotless with minimal effort. More than just a balcony, it's a statement of luxury, convenience, and cutting-edge technology. Elevate your home. Experience the future. The Sapphire Glide-On Balcony. Introducing the Derutu Geko G100, a hypercar engineered to push the boundaries of speed, power, and innovation. Designed for true performance enthusiasts, this masterpiece of automotive engineering blends raw power with cutting-edge technology. At its heart lies a twin-turbocharged 5.0L V10 engine, generating an earth-shattering 1,200 horsepower. With an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and advanced all-wheel drive, the G100 launches from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Its top speed? An astonishing 420 km per hour, making it one of the fastest production cars ever built. But speed isn't the only highlight. The ultra-lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis ensures maximum strength and agility. Its active aerodynamics, featuring an adaptive rear wing and dynamic airflow diffusers, provide exceptional stability, keeping the car glued to the road at extreme speeds. Inside, the driver-focused cockpit offers a fully digital instrument panel, AI-assisted driving modes, and a biometric ignition system. The hand-stitched Alcantara seats, custom ambient lighting, and 3D surround sound system enhance every moment behind the wheel. Limited to just 100 exclusive units worldwide, the Derutu Geko G100 isn't just a car. It's an experience, a statement, a revolution. Power, precision, perfection. The Derutu Geko G100, redefining the limits of speed. In today's fast-evolving construction industry, efficiency, sustainability, and innovation are more important than ever. Introducing Facadeclick, a groundbreaking interlocking facade system that is revolutionizing the way buildings are designed and constructed. Unlike traditional bricklaying and facade installation methods that rely on mortar, adhesives, and extensive labor, Facadeclick utilizes a patented click-and-lock technology for a seamless, fast, and precise assembly. This dry installation system eliminates the need for wet construction, reducing labor time by up to 50% while significantly cutting down on material waste, making it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution. Built from high-performance, weather-resistant composite materials, Facadeclick is engineered to withstand extreme temperatures, heavy rainfall, and strong winds, ensuring long-term durability and structural integrity. Whether used for residential homes, commercial buildings, or large-scale industrial projects, it offers superior insulation properties, lowering energy consumption and improving indoor comfort throughout the year. But functionality isn't the only advantage. Facadeclick is designed with aesthetics and customization in mind. Available in a wide range of colors, textures, and finishes, it allows architects and designers to create stunning, contemporary facades without compromising on strength or performance. Additionally, its modular, recyclable components make it a game-changer in sustainable construction, promoting reusability and reducing environmental impact. With Facadeclick, the future of architecture is not only smarter and faster, but also greener and more innovative. Say goodbye to outdated, time-consuming construction techniques and embrace a new era of intelligent, sustainable building solutions. Innovate, build, transform. Facadeclick, where design meets efficiency. Imagine a world where constructing buildings, furniture, or shelters is as easy as stacking blocks. No tools, no heavy machinery, and no specialized skills required. Introducing QUICKBLOCK, a revolutionary modular building system designed to enable anyone to build anything quickly, efficiently, and sustainably. Made from high-strength, recycled plastic, these lightweight, interlocking blocks simply click together, allowing you to construct walls, enclosures, furniture, and even full-scale buildings in a matter of hours. Unlike traditional construction, which can be expensive, time-consuming, and labor-intensive, QUICKBLOCK offers a fast, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly alternative. What makes QUICKBLOCK unique is its incredible versatility. Whether you're building temporary shelters for disaster relief, military fortifications, outdoor event structures, or community projects, this system adapts to any need, any location. The blocks are durable, weather-resistant, reusable, and 100% recyclable, making them a sustainable choice for modern construction challenges. With rapid assembly and easy reconfiguration, structures can be built, modified, or dismantled in minutes. Need to expand or redesign? Simply unclip, rearrange, and rebuild, offering complete flexibility for evolving projects. Unlike traditional materials, which often create waste, QUICKBLOCK structures can be repurposed and reused, reducing environmental impact while saving costs. From emergency housing to pop-up workspaces, garden walls, farm enclosures, and creative furniture, QUICKBLOCK empowers anyone, from professionals to first-time builders, to bring their vision to life. Sustainable, simple, strong. With QUICKBLOCK, if you can imagine it, you can build it.